survival after Yellowstone is vitally important. But first, our sponsor for this video today comes from Utility Bill Cut. Utility Bill Cut saves businesses money on expensive energy bills. Energy is expensive these days, but by using Utility Bill Cut, they can find the cheapest energy supplier, saving businesses thousands of pounds, whether gas or electric or both. Utility Bill Cut can help you cut the cost of your business. Call them today to find out more. A normal day in America. Life goes on as normal. People shopping, meeting friends, enjoying the day. And around the world, people are going about their daily lives, both in Germany, Italy, and everywhere, not knowing what is about to befall them, oblivious to what is going to happen in America. Dancing in the street, whilst back in Wyoming, at Yellowstone Park, events are unfolding. Visitors to the park from around the world, and many Americans enjoy their day off, or go at a weekend to view the marvels of the park. From beautiful walks, seeing the wonderful colours of the rocks generated by many hot springs and geysers. It's a family day out, walking along the many trails, seeing the sights. Old Faithful, one of the most famous views, spews forth its powerful jets of hot steaming water regularly. And everyone comes to view this wonder of Yellowstone. It is truly a wonderful sight. But then something is wrong. Old Faithful shoots up higher than ever before. But then it's gone. People sitting to see it are wondering what's happened. Why has it stopped? It should be throwing up something. This is not right. What's going on? This can't be right. Nothing is happening. Where's it all gone? Then the mud begins to boil faster and hotter. And then what they dreaded starts to happen. Geysers fire into the air more violent than ever before. Finally, a big burst of energy fires boiling water high up into the air. Then it happens. A tremendous explosion and a huge eruption occurs, spewing lava and ash into the sky. Then another one erupts, throwing tons of ash high into the air. Then a third and a fourth erupts. People still in the park have no chance. Then a fifth and sixth erupts. The caldera is ripping itself apart. A super volcanic event is happening. As molten lava gushes out everywhere, almost faster than you can run. It's hell on earth, as more eruptions happen, throwing even more ash into the air. The caldera is causing lava flows everywhere, while the ash is thrown even higher into our atmosphere. Get out of the way of pyroclastic flows. Get into your bunker quick, or locate an underground car park fast and stay there. You're going to need medical attention, so get to a hospital after you may have severe burns that need treating. The ash thrown up will fall, causing visibility problems. The ash also blocks out the sun. The temperature drops 10 degrees around the world and the cold begins. Heavy snowfalls blocking roads and paralysing everything. You put yourself at risk driving in these conditions, and it won't get better anytime soon. Rivers, lakes freeze over. Shipping is stuck in the ice as the world freezes. Crops destroyed. Find shelter even in a cave with a fire. It will help you to keep warm and plan things. Make sure you have a survival kit containing an emergency radio, emergency food rations, water-resistant torch and batteries, whistles, survival bag, hand sanitizers, multifunction hand tools, water purification tablets, first aid kit, a signal mirror, heavy-duty holdall, signal flares, emergency drinking water, emergency glow sticks, survival blankets, ponchos, work gloves, gaffer tape, drinking water bottle, notepad and pencil, waterproof document pouch. You will need to find shelter that you can, if needed, stay in for 6 to 12 months. And above all, stay where you are so you can be rescued. Remember, be prepared, have your survival kit ready. Listen to your radio each day. Whatever government or FEMA tell you, obey it. Don't think you know best. You don't. It could get you or your family killed. Above all, stay calm and wait for rescue no matter how long it takes. Be patient. Take care. But first, our sponsor for this video comes today from Utility Bill Cut. Utility Bill Cut saves businesses money on expensive energy bills. Energy is expensive these days, but by using Utility Bill Cut, they find the cheapest energy supplier, saving businesses thousands of pounds, whether gas or electric, or even both. Utility Bill Cut can help you cut the cost of business, so call them today to find out more.